And now our Olivia de Bortoli has this from our sponsors.
Jasmine, I'm so excited. This is our first time working together.
I know.
So I get to officially welcome you to the LAU team.
Thank you.
And what a better way than a grill, right?
And some food. Yes, yes, my type of day.
You know, everybody's grilling right now.
So
Everybody's
good.
outside. The weather's perfect. They're by their pool. We obviously know fruit is the best thing ever. But Tajín, have you ever had the Tajín on the fruit?
Yes, Tajín is my go-to.
But my favorite is obviously the watermelon.
Yes.
I'm just gonna sprinkle it some more on because you always need more Tajín than anything else. Cheers.
Cheers.
So good. This is the traditional way. There are so many other ways you can use Tajín because all it is, mild chili peppers, sea salt, lime. Avocado, we're in Southern California. What else could you want other than avocado? A little bit of Tajín on avocado. I know we sprinkled it on, but always more Tajín.
More bueno.
Let's move over to the grill, right? What I love about Tajín though is on their website, they give you awesome recipes and this is one of them. This one is for you, right?
Totally for me. Put a little Tajín on a piece of flatbread, add some pesto, some peaches. This is definitely going to be a favorite, I promise.
Also, you need the traditionals, right?
You do.
For people like me, you can't go wrong with ribs. The meat, that is the way to go with Tajín. Grill up some ribs, throw on some Tajín on it. People will be like, what's your secret ingredient? It's just a little bit of pizzazz to your meat. It's perfect.
Voila. And you can't forget about the guacamole. Like, this is a must at any backyard party during the summer. Again, you just add a little Tajín on top. Gosh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So good.
So good. Best party ever.
Sunshine, summer, it's perfect.
And a pool and some Tajín. Amazing.
Cheers.
Cheers.